About a greater degree
for
of a
of
greater degree of freedom. Greater degree of freedom. They have slightly different approach to studying. So what you have written is they have slightly different approach to की जगह of. Well, approach to studying तो ठीक है. Is there any other change that you want to make?
they have a slightly
Correct. They have a slightly different approach to studying, right? Okay. We had 1 week intensive training course. So what you've written is we had 1 week for intensive training course. No. For is not required. Any other change? It will be we had a 1 week intensive training course. There has been gradual increase number thefts. So what you've
number of
done is there has been gradual increase in number of thefts. ठीक है, but it is again not complete. What will you say? You will say
a, gra-
there has, yes,
a gradual increase
a gradual increase
in
in
number
the
of
the in the number of thefts. There has been a gradual increase in the number of thefts. They offer quite wide variety courses. So what you've done is they offer quite wide variety of courses.
of courses.
But that's not complete. Articles are still missing.
A quite
No, they offer quite a wide variety of courses. They offer quite a wide variety of courses. That's how it's going to be.